Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something truly special to show you. Introducing the soft Dolla self jecord weaving saree, available at unbelievable price 1099. This saree is the epitome of elegance and sophistication with its intricate self jecord weaving design made from pure soft Dolla fabric. It feels incredibly soft against the skin, providing unmatched comfort whether it's a wedding, festivals, and a special occasion. This saree is a must-have in your ethnic wear collection. Its charming color and execute pattern will make you stand out in the crowd. Radiations, grace, and beauty. The delicate craftsmanship is truly remarkable. Each thread has been carefully woven to create a memorizing tapestry of beauty. This saree is a work of art that celebrates the rich heritage and culture of India. The lightweight fabric ensures that you can drape it effortlessly, allowing you to move freely and comfortably throughout the day or night. The softness of the fabric will make you feel like you are wrapped in a gentle embrace. So guys, to order your every on pure soft Dolla self jecord weaving saree, simply click the link in description below. Hurry because stock are limited. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more fashion and styling updates. Stay tuned for more amazing product and exclusive deals, guys. Link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.